From MagSafe Battery Packs to MagSafe car mounts, even things from MagSafe video creation, there are MagSafe accessories for everything. I'm not going to cover all of them or even try to compare them to most. I'm just going to tell you what my favorite MagSafe accessories are. This way you can choose maybe some for this holiday season or for gifts in the future. Now keep in mind, MagSafe accessories work with iPhone 12 and newer. Ever since iPhone 12, Apple's put this circular magnet and that little alignment magnet in the back of their phone. And you'll see the same design on MagSafe accessories. Now you can use MagSafe accessories directly on an iPhone 12 or newer. You don't need a MagSafe case. But since most people put cases on their phone, I would highly recommend getting a MagSafe case. There are some cases that say they're thin enough to work with MagSafe chargers and accessories, but if there's no MagSafe magnets, if you don't see that circle with the little alignment magnets, it's not going to work as well as a MagSafe case. So which MagSafe case should you buy? I'm actually partial to Apple's own cases. I really like their silicone and leather cases, and as you can see, these are all MagSafe. They have a little circle on the back. But there are other cases out there like Torres. I kind of like their cases. MOFT makes a nice MagSafe case, and Peak Design actually has a really nice MagSafe case. If you use your iPhone primarily for video shooting, maybe you're trying to be a content creator and your iPhone is your main camera, then I would highly recommend the Peak Design MagSafe case because I'll show you an accessory that works seamlessly with their case. The Peak Design case is really nice. It kind of has this like fabricy material on the back, and then it has this square. So rather than have the typical circle, it actually has these little corner square rounded rectangular magnets, and that's because it's specifically made to work with Peak Design accessories like this tripod mount. This accessory will screw directly onto a tripod with that thread on the bottom, and then you can adjust the angle here, but it attaches seamlessly to the Peak Design case via magnet. Then you can just hold these top and bottom buttons and you can release the magnet. Really easy to get it on and off a tripod without having to clamp anything to the iPhone, and the magnet's really strong, plus these clamps are holding it in too. So you don't have to worry about it falling out. Really love this tripod attachment. So if you're using your iPhone for video content, the Peak Design MagSafe case is a great option with this tripod adapter. Next, let's talk about MagSafe car mounts. Now this is the Belkin MagSafe car mount. It does not charge, it's literally just a mount, but it's really strong magnets, it holds on tight, much more than other MagSafe car mounts that I've tried on Amazon. Again, the Belkin one is really nice. It clips onto your air conditioning vent, sticks right on the back of the phone and holds it, and then you can plug in to charge. But I actually just got the new Belkin MagSafe Boost charge mount, which will actually charge via MagSafe in addition to holding it. So it's not just a mount, it's also a charger. It's really nicely designed. The cable is built into the mount. I kind of wish there was just a USB-C port on the back so you could use the cable that you would like, but the cable's built in. It does have USB-C on the other end. It does come with this nice adapter in the box. This is included. It's a 20-watt adapter, so you can charge at the full 15 watts for MagSafe using this Belkin mount. That's another big difference. You might see a lot of wireless charging mats and mounts, but if they're not MagSafe, they're going to charge at a much slower speed, probably around 7 watts. The Belkin MagSafe charger for your car actually charges at the full 15 watts that MagSafe is capable of, so it's going to charge faster than some of those cheaper options. You can spin the mount any direction you would like, depending on the orientation of your air conditioner vents. And like the regular car mount, the magnet is really strong. I'd never have to worry about the phone falling out. And it's going to charge as soon as I place it on this mount in my car. Full 15 watts power. This is my default way of mounting my phone in the car and charging at the same time. Now I did try Apple's MagSafe wallet for a little while, but I just needed more space for cards. So I don't use the MagSafe wallet, but I have found ways to actually hold your iPhone that are different than pop sockets. I was never crazy about the pop sockets, but I have found different kind of handles and mounts that are MagSafe that I really like. This one is from RhinoGuard. You can get lots of different designs. You can even design your own if you would like. Attaches via MagSafe to the back of your phone. Really low profile when you're not using it. And then it actually pulls out or extends so you can put your fingers in there and then hold your phone with that mount. Really nice, convenient. Again, lots of different designs for you. But one I've been using more recently and actually prefer is this one from MOFT. This one acts not only as a handle for your iPhone, but also a mount. So again, you can get this in a couple different colors. This is the MOFT Grip. You put that on the back. Again, very low profile, even more than the RhinoGuard. You can pop it out, and this is really comfortable. It's leather, so it feels really nice. And this is actually what I've been using to hold my iPhone. And you can even push it all the way down, and it becomes a little stand. This way you can actually use it as a grip or a stand. Pretty cool. Another accessory I've used as a grip is actually the Belkin MagSafe webcam mount. It's this little circle here. It has a metal ring that pops out, and it's great for also holding your phone. Again, pretty low profile, convenient, and it can bend all the way back to also kind of be a little stand tabletop for your iPhone. But this Belkin MagSafe mount is really made for continuity camera. Did a whole video on some of the macOS Ventura features, and you can check that out above. But this Belkin MagSafe mount has this little tiny clip that opens up, and this way you can put your iPhone on a laptop lid and use the back camera as a webcam for continuity camera. So use that for your webcam, or you can extend the little metal ring and use that as an iPhone grip. Now, another big MagSafe accessory are MagSafe Battery Packs to charge your iPhone on the go. I actually did a whole video on that. It was my first video to hit 100,000 views, so thank you all for that. You can check that video above, or I'll put that link in the description. So I won't cover all of them again. I know a lot of people love to hate on the Apple MagSafe Battery Pack. It's still one of the ones I really prefer. It doesn't get as hot as some of the other models. Really low profile. I still like it. But another MagSafe battery pack I didn't cover in the video is this one from MOFT. I do really like this battery pack though. It has that leather grain, so it feels really nice. It has these like metallic buttons. You can press that to see the battery charge on that side, charges with USB-C on that side, and it is pretty low profile, which I like. Connects to the iPhone pretty easily there, and you can see it's already charging. If you have questions about this battery pack or any of the accessories, leave a comment below. Now, in addition to MagSafe battery packs, MagSafe is how I've been charging my iPhone overnight since the iPhone 12. Now, there are lots of different accessories. There's even a ton more that you could find. You can just search YouTube for MagSafe chargers, but these are actually my favorite. The one I use every night on my nightstand is the Belkin 3-in-1. It's the one that can fast charge an Apple Watch Series 7 or newer, plus it can charge your iPhone, and it has a Qi charger here on the base for your AirPods. Really love this charger because it elevates both your iPhone and your Apple Watch, plus it takes up a much smaller footprint than a lot of other chargers because everything's kind of like in this tree format. Really love this still. It comes in white or black. I use this, and my wife uses one on her side too. Now, if you want something more low profile, not so tree-like, Belkin also makes this 3-in-1, which will charge your iPhone, AirPods, and your Apple Watch. It still has the fast charging for Apple Watch here, again, Series 7 or newer. This also comes in white or black. This one's pretty nice, and my son actually uses this now. It is low profile, but it takes up a little more surface area because it's longer. I just prefer the tree stand because it takes up a little less room on the nightstand. Now, when I'm traveling, I still use Apple's MagSafe Duo. I know there are a lot of better travel options out there, maybe not better, but there's ones with USB-C that can charge 3 devices, but I just love the thin format of this MagSafe Duo. It still charges the iPhone and the AirPods just fine. I rarely need to charge all 3 at once, so I'll alternate the AirPods and iPhone over here, Apple Watch over here. It is slow charging the Apple Watch, but when I'm traveling, I'm usually charging overnight, so it's not a big deal. It is still Lightning on the back. Once the iPhone goes to USB-C, I imagine Apple will update this with USB-C, and I'll probably go with that. But I still have devices that have Lightning, like my AirPods Max, my iPhone, my other AirPods Pro, and sometimes I want to fast charge those devices. So I bring this if I need to fast charge my iPhone. I'll unplug the Lightning cable from here, plug it into my iPhone, and then overnight I could just have everything trickle charge and it's fine. One last accessory, this one lives on my desk. It's the Anchor Charge Station, I think it is, but it charges with MagSafe on the front. Plus it has a bunch of plugs on the back, both full-size outlets, USB-C and USB-A, which I use all over the desk. I'm able to charge any device I need to, and it just sits there, takes up a small amount of surface area, which is nice, and I really like it. So links to everything I talked about will be in the video description. You can check it out there. You can also check out my MagSafe battery pack video. That link will be in the description. And like this video, let me know what you'd like to see here on the channel. There's lots of videos on how to download videos online from your iPhone. Don't close your iPhone apps. I have a whole video on why you shouldn't swipe up, and a ton more. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you'd like to see in the comments, and I'll see you next time.